Nestled amid the rolling hills of Jiangxi Province, Huangling Village is a living monument to China's rural heritage. With its harmonious blend of architecture, history, and nature, the village exemplifies the delicate balance between human settlement and the surrounding landscape. The carefully preserved Hui-style houses, terraced fields, and serene waterways speak of centuries of craftsmanship, culture, and communal life. As we delve into Huangling stories, we will uncover the cultural rituals, agricultural traditions, and historic landmarks that make this village a distinguished emblem of China's timeless legacy. Huangling Village sits in northern Wuyuan County, surrounded by picturesque hills and fertile plains. The region enjoys a subtropical climate, with warm, wet summers and mild winters, perfect for agriculture and terraced fields. Historically, Huangling has existed for over 1,000 years, witnessing dynasties rise and fall while retaining its traditional charm. It played a vital role in regional trade and agriculture, forming the basis of its cultural richness. A local tale tells of a scholar inspired by the golden terraces and serene streams. Can you guess which poet immortalized Huangling in verse? Leave your answer in the comments below. Huangling Village perches gracefully on a hillside, showcasing classic Hui-style architecture with its white walls and black-tiled roofs. Wandering through the village, visitors are immediately drawn into a timeless atmosphere where every alley tells a story. Scattered along the slopes are observation points offering panoramic views of the village, the terraced fields, and the surrounding valley. These vantage points are perfect for capturing the village bathed in the soft light of sunrise or the warm hues of sunset. Accommodation in Huangling is a delightful blend of tradition and comfort. Numerous homestays and villas, built in the local architectural style, allow visitors to experience authentic village life overnight, listening to the soft murmur of streams and the distant call of birds. Stone-paved alleys wind through the village, shaded by sloping roofs and lined with ancient walls. These quiet lanes are ideal for leisurely strolls, photography, and immersing oneself in the heritage of a traditional Chinese mountain village. A traditional covered bridge stands as a centerpiece and popular photo spot. Whether bathed in the gentle morning mist or glowing under the sunset, the bridge embodies both function and beauty, connecting paths and hearts alike. In autumn, villagers hang harvested crops such as chilies, pumpkins, and flowers atop their roofs. The vivid colors of the drying produce create a striking tapestry that delights photographers and travelers seeking seasonal beauty and local customs. Nearby mountain valleys complement the village's charm, with winding streams, lush greenery, and small footpaths. At night, lanterns illuminate these valleys, casting a romantic glow over the landscape and offering an unforgettable, magical experience. Huangling Village seamlessly blends natural splendor, historic architecture, and cultural life. From its alleys and bridges to its terraces and valleys, every corner invites exploration. Remember to subscribe to witness more hidden treasures across China's scenic villages. Huangling is often called the Golden Terrace Village due to its famous hillside fields. Beyond its beauty, it is linked to poet Li Cheng, whose writings celebrated the village's serene landscapes and simple rural life. The Huangling Ancient Temple is the symbolic heart of the village, sometimes called the Stone and Timber Legacy for its intricate carvings and enduring structure. Scholars and tourists alike admire its historical and spiritual significance. The village is home to around 3,000 residents, primarily speaking a northern Jiangxi dialect. Daily life revolves around farming, festivals, and preserving ancestral traditions, creating a rhythm that feels timeless. Families live in multi-generational households, passing down handicrafts, songs, and folklore. Festivals, such as temple celebrations and harvest events, strengthen social bonds and provide visitors with an authentic cultural experience. Have you ever visited a village where history and nature feel inseparable? Huangling offers that rare experience. Share your impressions in the comments. What inspired you most about this village? Don't forget to subscribe to join us on more journeys into China's hidden gems. Traditional Loess Plateau-style architecture dominates Huangling, with clay brick homes, tiled roofs, and ornate wooden structures. Roads are narrow and modest, preserving historical character, while pedestrian paths encourage slow, reflective exploration. Huangling serves as a cultural and ecotourism hub connecting northern Jiangxi to broader heritage routes. Planned development enhances infrastructure while maintaining the village's aesthetic and environmental integrity. Have you ever visited a village where history and nature feel inseparable? Huangling offers that rare experience. Share your impressions in the comments. What inspired you most about this village? Don't forget to subscribe to join us on more journeys into China's hidden gems.